Hello viewers, hope you are well. In this video, I'll show you how to capture UTM parameter in your lead form and submit those parameter with the lead form when you send, submit or send. This is one of my testing website. Here I have a lead form like name, email, message. Beside, I create some field like UTM source, UTM medium, UTM campaign. Since I am using free version, that's why I couldn't create this field in hidden format. But when you do your paid or then you will create in hidden format, and you need to do that, right? So when a visitor come come your website from your ads with the UTM parameter within its URL. When the visitor will come land, and I will try to capture those UTM parameter from this URL and populate here. When uh, when the lead will fill up the fill up the lead form and will submit, and those ATM source medium will be submitted, will be sent with the contact. Also, if you wish to send this parameter as an event parameter for a particular event, you could also possible to send this as event parameter. So first, so that you need to create an variable to get the iter parameter. Okay, so to do this, I create the JavaScript code. I write there are two JavaScript code here. It is so. Let's preview the system to see if everything is working or not. So right now, if see you, I have no cookies, right? No cookies of UTM source UTM medium UTM campaign. So this is our website, GTM. Let's preview. So this is our home page address, and this is the UTM parameter. Let's do the visit. So when the prospect will land on website from ad, then here I create the track that is this tag. This tag will paste the UTM parameter and store as a cookie, first party cookie in the website. For example, since it's far, it already capture the ATM source from the URL and save as a first party cookie. Let's check here. Here you see it org and save ATM campaign, ATM medium, and ATM source as a first party cookie. And this code that is populate, and this code will get that first party cookie from the website first party cookie section, and we populate the lead form hidden field. As you see, the UTM parameter are right now present in the URL, right? But as you see, those fields are populated with the first party cookie I get here, like value Google as call tracking. You see Google as call tracking. So when now if the prospect fill up the field here and submit, then with this value also this value will be sent. Also you could send this value with event parameter by creating variable. I'm showing you I already create a variable for this. You just need to use a first party cookie ATM campaign. So when uh, you could set this value to 04 as well. I hope you understand this tutorial how to capture UTM parameter as a first party cookie, then populate with the value of a lead form hidden field and submit with the lead form data. Also, you could send this value as event parameter. Okay, I hope this video will help you. If you need any help regarding this ATM tracking or the attributions, you could reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.